Jasmine, Mr. Hegde has answered that question, but that question was for you actually. Lag gaya tala ab to JCBs ko. What will happen to all the pride you took in Bulldozer Baba and Bulldozer Mama? The Supreme Court today is saying you're not judge, jury and executioner.
Well, first of
all, don't
cross
your limits. This is what the Supreme Court has said today.
Well, first of all, like any Indian citizen, I respect the decision of the Supreme Court. But I would like to repeat the verdict which has been passed by the Supreme Court, by the 2 August judges, that due notice has to be given, a hearing has to be given, but at the same time, the judges have, in a very emphatic way, written in their judgment that if it is a place of encroachment, if the houses are on land which has been encroached, the bulldozers, the houses, or the encroachments can be bulldozed. And we all know, living in India, that huge areas in India are encroached, and there is no denying the fact that to practice law and order and to keep the land safe, sometimes decisions have to be taken by the chief ministers of the state, belonging from any political party, for the good of the society and for the socio-economic reasons. But at the same time, we definitely agree with what the judges have said, that punishment cannot be collective to a family. If somebody has committed a crime, the punishment cannot be translated to the entire family. But at the same time, like I said, that protecting the rights of the individual, even if he is a criminal, but if the house or the property is on an encroached land, the law and the order situation will be executed, and a proper action will be taken, and we welcome that.
Don't you think?
Yes.
Okay, Jasmine ji, you've said many things here. But the point is, and I'll let the Samajwadi Party spokesperson come in here, it's a bit of a shame that it takes the Supreme Court to form guidelines for bulldozer action and demolition in this country. This is basic. It's basic decency. It is basic law that you give people a notice before you bring bulldozers to their house.
Notices were given.
Bulldozers, unfortunately, in places like Uttar Pradesh have been used as political tools. Yes, Hindus' homes have been demolished, but 80% homes that have been demolished are of Muslims. You're saying something here. Mohammed Tariq, come in here.
It's not the matter of the homes of Hindus or Muslims. They are Indian citizens and they should be treated equally, and this is their fundamental right. Look what the judge has said. They have emphasized the importance of home in our Indian culture and society. He said, by a poetry of Mr. Prateep, that this is a dream of the people of India to have their own home, to build it. And the way you demolished nearly from 2001, 2022, 2023, they have demolished almost 10 lakh homes in India. It's not my report. It has been said by many reports being published by different surveys. They said that they have displaced peoples who are living in their home. Point number one. Point number two, you have already this type of setup. We already have this type of setup in our procedure. The problem is this, that over the night, they said that this thing is illegal. It's not about a community, a society, a person. You cannot. And another most very important thing the judges has said. The judges has said that you have to remain in your limit. They have worked and they have given order for their existence and identity. Why? Because if you have started doing the work of a judge, what they'll do? They'll play chess in the court. Now, if you start giving justice by the bulldozer by your own, then what is law? What is IPC? What is BNS? What the courts will do? How they'll punish? And what is about the freedom to give my own way? So the judges and the court has said that we have defended ourselves. That's why. Because executives started involving and means they have started encroaching their own work. So the judiciary has protected their work and their means whole order that yes, this is our jurisdiction.
Okay.
Punishment is our jurisdiction. You cannot punish somebody on your own. Simple.